So what's smegma? Smegma is a collection of oils, dry skin cells and other secretions, and maybe even a little bit of urine that has built up around the glands of the penis, and also in females around the inner vulva area as well. It's sort of like a waxy substance, and it can be washed away quite easily. Just use water, but if you want to increase the rate of getting rid of it, you can just use an emollient. If it's not going away, especially for the guys, because obviously it could be under your foreskin, and it's more common if you've got a foreskin as well. You need to retract your foreskin and let it soak. If you're a young guy and you're having trouble getting rid of the smegma, the best way, and you can retract your foreskin, the best way to do is just to have a bath, nice and relaxing time, retract your foreskin and let the water do the work. Stay in there for about 10, 15, 20 minutes. Have a nice long bath, but don't fall asleep in the bath. That's obviously very, very dangerous. Let the water soak in, and then it's much easier, hopefully, to wash off the smegma. But if it's years to accumulate, it will take months to get rid of. If you're not that into baths, or you're not ready to have a bath, then you have to remember, with your penis, you have to remember to retract your foreskin and then wash around the head of the penis. You can just use water as well, and then dab it dry with a bit of a tissue paper or a towel, and then replace the foreskin where you can. Okay, this is obviously a sausage. And if you're having trouble retracting your foreskin, then watch this episode.